Hey, in this video we're going to do the black magic on the lawn. It's been 2 weeks later, so we're going to shake this up. We're going to get our hose, our nozzles set up. So what you want to do is it's got off, water, and on. You want to turn it to on. And hear the sound. You hear it sucking. That's what you want. Now you know it's working. Unscrew the cap, take this off. Put this in here. Screw it on. What do you think, Noah? You think it's pretty easy so far? Okay. All right, so now we're going to start spraying the lawn with this. It's supposed to take 7 to 10 minutes. Shook up real good. Let's go. Now this bottle, you just put your fingers here and hold your hose. Comes out pretty good. One thing I forgot to mention about this is you can apply it any time. Doesn't matter about the weather. But you want to apply it first thing in the morning or late in the evening, not the hottest part of the day. So Black Magic improves soil structure, enhances nutrient uptake, and it stimulates root growth. So what do I think about Lawnbright? Here's the pros. The pros is you don't have to go to the Home Depot store or Lowe's or anything. You don't have to try to figure anything out. You do the soil sample. They send you text along the way and tell you when to add stuff. They send you the right product at the right time. There's no guesswork. You don't have to pay a big lawn company to come out and take care of your lawn and charge you too much. The only con that I can think of right now is the nozzle. I think they should have explained more about the nozzles and the different types of nozzles that you need to use as far as the Black Magic and the weed wipe out. That's what I think. That's the only thing negative I can think of, because other than that, it's all taken care of. They do it all for you. All you have to do is come out here and hook a hose up to it and start spraying your lawn and sit back and enjoy it. Now stay tuned for some more shipments from them. Let's see what happens to the grass. Hey y'all, if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and product reviews. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Check out the video description down below for links. Y'all have a good one now. Thanks for watching, and you come back. Yeah.